Hi guys, it's Abdullah and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how you can see all saved passwords on Windows. First let me show you my connected network. As you can see I'm connected to this network. So first open the command prompt by typing it cmd, right clicking it and running it as an administrator. Once it is opened, copy the command from the description and paste it in there. Press enter and you will get a path to where the password is saved. Go to the file, right click it, edit and find the line where it says key material and your password will be in between. And that's how you see saved password on Windows. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also follow my Instagram from the link in description.